Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to give a back massage. Firstly, place your palms gently on the person's back. Keep your hands relaxed but firm. Using the base of your palms, press down slowly on the muscles. Hold the pressure for a few seconds. Now, ease off the pressure slowly. Never lift your hands abruptly, as that can feel jarring. Now shift your hands to a new spot on the back, then repeat the press and release motion. Work from the upper back down to the lower back, paying extra attention to any tense or tight spots. Now, ask the person how the pressure feels. Too much, ease off, and if it's too light, press a little more. Now, repeat the technique across the whole back for 3 to 5 minutes to warm up and loosen the muscles. And to finish with the soothing strokes, just end with gentle sweeping rubs over the back to calm and relax the muscles. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.